Today I'm going to be testing this Easy Off Heavy Duty for the inside of my oven. As you can see, we've got some dirt, some grime, some extra buildup along the sides here, all over the back, and even onto the door. I want to see how well this does on the door of my oven, so we're going to go ahead and give this a shake and give the oven a nice coating. Let's read the instructions here first, shall we? Step 1. So they have instructions on here for a warm oven or a cold oven. I'm going to be following the cold oven instructions for this video. So they recommend wearing gloves, but I'm a rebel and I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to wash my hands really well after. It also says to make sure not to get it on your floor because I'm assuming this will wreck your floor, so be careful. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit. It says to let sit for at least 20 minutes. For heavier soils, allowed to stand overnight for 8 hours or longer. I'm gonna let this sit for probably 30 minutes and I'll come back, and it says to wipe it off with a wet sponge or cloth, rinsing frequently. So let's let that sit and do its thing. So this is what it looks like after it's been sitting for about 5 or 6 hours. It's definitely loosened some things. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my wet cloth and start wiping it out. This is what the end result is. I just cannot find anything to really get those last 2 really deep, hard spots. Maybe I need to spray some more Easy Off on it, let it sit longer. But it did do amazing on my window on the oven. I've never had anything get all of the like grease and grime and stuff off of it as well as that Easy Off did. So I would highly recommend that for sure. It worked amazing. It got everything. It got literally everything else off on the inside of my oven, even in the deep cracks and stuff. So I'm very pleased with how this went overall.